Stay tuned on Shkedul, I would say, vibes. Well, for those who don't know Shkedul, he also runs his own label, Nord Limited. I found out about the label thanks to him when I met him last year, and he talked to me about the label. I really enjoyed the project, and I found out that at the time I pre-ordered one of his records without knowing it was him behind the label. So what a beautiful encounter. And still, of course, I'm tuned on the newest releases. The one that I'm about to play for you is actually the 9th release of Nord Limited, and I won't spoil it. This is another of his track, and I'm gonna share with you in a minute also the cover. Enjoy Nord Limited 009. This is Shkedul. Shkedul, Nord Limited Edition 009. Pure hypnotic and sharp acid techno. I really enjoyed also the Enrico Vivaldi track that you find on this record. I'm going to share with you the label so you can have a look at it. Here we go. It comes like with the classic Nord Limited design. I really like this minimal approach. It makes it easy to find when you scroll and browse through records in your record bag. So that's a nice consistent look, which sometimes, you know, it's an element that gets lost release after release on many labels. And with Andrea's work and what he's doing with Nord Limited is something I appreciate. So yeah, well done, Shkedul.